Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
What is load curve? A graphical plot showing the variation in demand for energy of the consumers on a source of supply with respect to time is known as load curve. The load curve is drawn by taking load on y-axis and time on x-axis. If this curve is plotted over a time period of 24 hours, it is known as daily load curve. If it is plotted for a week or month or a year, then it is named as weekly load curve, monthly or yearly load curve respectively. Okay, here shows some examples of load curve. Next one is load duration curve. Load duration curve is similar to a load curve, but the demand data is ordered in descending order of magnitude rather than chronologically. Here the first figure shows the load curve and second one is load duration curve. The second load duration curve is obtained from the load curve. In the second curve, the loads are arranged in descending order. First, the maximum load and its time duration is taken and is marked on the graph. And this load duration curve is used in electric power generation to illustrate the relationship between generating capacity requirements and capacity utilization. Let us see some important definitions. First one, connected load. It is the energy consumed when all connected systems, circuits, components, devices or equipments are operating and drawing power at the same time. The formula for calculating connected load is number of lights into kilowatt plus number of fan into kilowatt plus number of water heater into kilowatt plus etc. Here this number of light means lights switched on during a particular period of time, and this kilowatt represents rating of the light and so on. The next definition is maximum demand. It is the highest value of electrical demand monitored in a particular period. Or the other definition, it is the greatest demand of the load on the power station during a given period. Demand factor, it is the ratio of maximum demand to the connected load. So demand factor is maximum demand by connected load. Let us see average load. It is the average of loads occurring on the power station in a given period. It may be day or month or year. It is known as average load or average demand. Here we have three average loads: daily average load, monthly average load and yearly average load. Daily average load is number of units generated in a day by 24. Monthly average load means number of units generated in a month by number of hours in a month. Yearly average load is number of units generated in a year by hours in a year. Here units means multiplication of load and hour. Load factor, it is the ratio of average load to the maximum demand during a given period. It is known as load factor. The formula of load factor is average load by maximum demand. And if we multiply time period both in numerator and denominator, then the formula of load factor is average load into T by maximum demand into T. Here this T is total number of time. So average load in the time is units generated in T hours divided by maximum demand into T. From this also we can get three formulae for load factor. One is daily load factor. It is electrical units generated in a by maximum demand into 24 hours. Monthly load factor, Electrical units generated in a month by maximum demand into 720. Yearly load factor is maximum units generated in a year by maximum demand into 8760. So here 8760 means the product of 24 and 365. Next definition is diversity factor. It is the ratio of the sum of individual maximum demands to the maximum demand on the power station. And other definition is coincidence factor. It is just the reciprocal of diversity factor. It is equal to maximum demand on the power station by sum of individual maximum demands. Next formula, capacity factor. It is the ratio of actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced during a given period. So capacity factor is actual energy produced by maximum energy that could have been produced. The other formula of this capacity factor is average demand into time by maximum demand into time. So annual capacity factor is annual kilowatt hour output divided by plant capacity into 8760. The next definition is plant use factor. It is the ratio of kilowatt hour generated to the product of plant capacity and the number of hours for which the plant was in operation. So the formula is station output in kilowatt divided by plant capacity into hours of use. The next definition is utilization factor. It is the ratio of maximum demand to the plant capacity. Utilization factor is maximum demand by plant capacity. For all these factors, we should multiply 100% in the answer. Let us see one problem. The maximum demand on a power station is 100 megawatt. If the annual load factor is 40%, calculate the total energy generated in a year. Here the first write the given data. First they have given maximum demand of the power station. It is 100 megawatt. Then they have given the annual load factor, which is 40%. They are asked to find total energy generated in a year. And we know the formula of unit generator. Units, otherwise it can be units energy generator. So the formula of energy generated is maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. Here we have to use hours in a year because they are asked to find total energy generated in a year. Now substitute the values given. Maximum demand is 100 megawatt. So 100 into 10 power 3. I am going to write the answer in kilowatt. Therefore, replace this megawatt as kilowatt. Therefore, 100 megawatt is equal to 100 into 10 power 3 kilowatt. And load factor is 40%. It is equal to 0.4. Then hours in a year, 24 into 365. So the answer is 3504 into 10 power 5 kilowatt hour. This is the unit of energy generated. And let us see another one example. A generating station has a connected load of 43 megawatt and a maximum demand of 20 megawatt. The unit generated being 61.5 megawatt per annum. Calculate the demand factor and the load factor. So what are the data given here? Connected load is given, maximum demand is given, and unit generated in a year is given. We know the formula of demand factor. It is maximum demand by connected load. So maximum demand given in the problem is 20 megawatt and the connected load given is 43 megawatt. So demand factor is 20 by 43 into 100. So it is 0.20 by 43 equal to 0.465. In percentage it is 46.5%. Let us see average demand or average load. It is used for calculating load factor. The formula of average demand is unit generated in a year by hours in a year. This average demand is nothing but yearly average demand. The unit generated in a year is given as 61.5 in megawatt. So, a 61.5 into 10 power 6 by 8,760. The answer is 7,070 kilowatts. Next, load factor. The formula of load factor is average demand by maximum demand. So, average demand already we calculated, divided by maximum demand given is 20 megawatt. In the numerator, the load is in kilowatt, so I am converting the denominator also in kilowatt. Therefore, the answer is 0.351 or 35.1%.